80% of the revenue profit made from this sale of the software is going to be pretty much donated out. So when you buy PowerSigner today, you're doing it for the good cause. Now, what is PowerSigner? PowerSigner is your DocuSign clone, pretty much. It allows you to save your documents, PDF, PowerPoint, whatever, right? And then request signatures as well, and all that team collaboration as well. Let me show it to you how it works. So you're going to log into your dashboard, and you're going to go here. You'll be able to go to profile and click on signatures and update your signature. So you can add your signature. You can add your own signature like this. So I can do something like this if you want to. You make it fun like this, or you can upload a signature. So or lastly, you just do your own signature like this and save signature. So you can do this, and yeah, once you get this done, you can also go and customize it through your company as well. Now, once you're done, you can go to documents. From documents, you'll be able to create new folders, just like this right here, or you can create a new file, upload new file. Now, you can upload a PDF, Word document, Excel, and PowerPoint directly here. Simple. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this file. I'm going to name it demo file. I'm going to go and click on upload a file. It's going to be uploaded here really fast. Let's go ahead and click on it, right click on it, and let's go and open it up. Now, this is the contract that I uploaded. Now, let's click on sign and edit. Okay. Now, this is the dashboard. Let's go ahead and fill it out. So I'm going to click on text box and click right here. Like this. I can also go ahead and do things like this. I can add my phone number here. So you get the idea, right? You can do a lot of cool things, to be honest. So at the end, if you want to get signatures, you can just put your signature here like this. And, so my signature could go right here, right? And I can add my dates or stamps or a lot of things right here. So let me show you too. I can do stamps. So this is an example here. File copy. I can change the color, and I can do this. Okay, that's an option right here. And I can also go ahead and do symbols. So let's see, check mark. And if I want to put a check mark right here, I can, just like this. Very simple, very easy. And like the symbols, pretty much everything is here for you, okay? And you can have it done on multiple pages as well. Now, once you're done, you're going to click on save. Okay. And so once you have it and you want to request a signature right here from somebody else, so what you do is you come to more, right? And you can either share the link, or you can do request signature, request signed right here. I can do please sign this document, and I can go ahead and enter an email address. Well, I'm going to put a different email address right here. I can either put my email here like this. I can do that. That's option one. Option two is pretty much finding your customers built-in on the system as well, or you can have one of your team or staff do it as well. Let's go and send the signature request out. Sent, and you'll also be able to find it right here. So it has been sent right here, and let's go and open up my email. So you will see an email that looks something like this. And anybody can sign it as a registered user or a guest as well. I'm going to open it up on an incognito mode so I can show it to you. So it says sign as a guest. Now, if somebody clicks on it, they don't need to register, so they can sign it without having an account with our system. So it works with anybody. So once they get here, they can click accept, and they can click on signs. Like I said, they don't need an account, okay? So they don't need an account. Save signatures, and signature right here, and they'll be able to place their signature wherever you tell them, right? So wherever you want, and once they're done, save, and guess what? They're pretty much done right here, and they can download a copy if they want to. Now, let's move on. Once you have done it, once they have signed it, so once they've signed it, you can go to the document, right? And let's find that document. and you can lock that document if you want to. So you can go to protect, and you can prevent the document from being downloaded, modification, put a password, all these things. So you can do all these things directly from here. Let's move on. And you can have multiple people sign the same document, of course. And if you have a customer that you want to directly add here, you can go to customers and add them here by clicking on add a new customer. And once you add a customer, what's going to happen is they'll get access to a mini dashboard where they can sign documents assigned by you. Now, what is a team and staff? Team and staff feature allows you to pretty much add your assistant. Let's say you're the boss of the company, right? So I'm the boss, big boss, right? I can add my staff, my VP, my chairman. So all of them can. Let me show it to you. So add a team, right? And I can add a feature so I can allow them to upload files, edit and sign, or just depending on what I want. So sometimes I just want them to be able to see the documents, right? This is what the feature is for. Okay, and that's that. We also have departments if you want to create department and create those as well. And what else do we have? So customers, that, and templates. Okay, templates are very, very cool because as a, if I'm a realtor or specific industry, I have my templates, right? So all I have to do is click on create a new template. I can just go ahead and drag and drop it right here. So template A, this is an example here, right? Nothing serious. So once I have this template, I can actually go ahead and start using it multiple times. So I don't have to upload it multiple times. As a realtor, example here, a realtor has a specific contract for a state that they sign every single time. So same document like 1,000 times. You don't want to upload that 1,000 times. So you would upload it once and it's a template, okay? And so, everything else wise, disk and everything, it is unlimited. But when I say unlimited, I don't want you guys to be uploading 100 gig. So it is capped at this point at 50 gig. But if you need more than 50 gig, we are more than happy to give it to you. The only thing is the fact that, you cannot be uploading nonsense stuff. So make sure you're actually using it for the purpose it was built for. Okay, so you'll see that this is just here just for the demo purpose. Yeah, so this is the software right here. What else do we have? Settings. Of course, you can change all that. Reminders, where you want to get the reminder. So pretty much, let's say you want somebody to sign the document, right? You can go ahead and enable auto reminders, so it will remind them 1, 2, 3. You got this to sign. So yeah, that's the software right here for you. So look at the sales page. Go ahead and take action right now. Remember, the 80% of the profit goes totally to a donation. So thank you so much.